Multiply 90,000 by 31 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 1. 1 times 0 is 0. The next three digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 1 times 9 is 9. The first partial product is 90,000. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 0 is 0. The next three digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 3 times 9 is 27. The second partial product is 2,700,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the 10,000s column, 9 plus 0 is 9. In the 100,000s column, bring down 7. In the millions column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2,790,000. So 90,000 times 31 is 2,790,000.